Hi, this is Cameron Spence reporting on an issue that I've been very aware of. People having trouble in the menus of Black Ops. Now, I like to fix this by showing you how it works. Like, look, you see, like, I usually don't know where to go. Like, player match. Well, like, create a class. Like, you see, you go to custom one, primary, submachine guns. I would really suggest using the MP5 throughout your entire career. It's a pretty good gun, actually. I recommend the Makarov for anyone who likes the pistols. And I also like the Willie Pete a lot. The Willie Pete is pretty good. The RPK, it kind of sucks. I love the M14. It's one of the best guns in the game. It's very respectable. Now, you can change your guy like right here. Change your guy right here. You see that? Look. And then you're this guy on the map. You see, you get to choose your own guy. Now that's good customization. Now the Enfield here. Now this is just a gun worth talking about. But here, look. This is how you do kill streaks here. See, now I can't buy anything because, well, I don't have enough money. But you see, these are Valkyrie rockets, and they're like rockets with a launcher with remote control rockets. And this thing is Nestor 71 Blackbird actually used to navigate soldiers and stuff, you know. And this Rolling Thunder is actually a B-52 dropping bombs, and it's on fire, as you can see. The chopper gunner is where you're a chopper gunner, and the attack dogs are obviously cheapest. The gunship I don't like. My favorite, personally, is the care package, just because it's simple, easy to get, and everyone can get it. That's it. Now here's how you make a player card. Now this is usually a challenge for most people, I've noticed. Now, if you watch here, look, you see how it says edit player card? Don't go there. Go to clan tag. No, just kidding. Go to edit player card. Now, I would suggest buying every single layer just because you can. There's no reason to have it, but you just want it, you know. And put that thing there because, you know, that's cool. That's cool, you know, right? Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. But anyway, like, well, that's interesting. I've never seen this before. Wow, that's ew, gross. Oh, nice, dude. Spider-Man, look. Anyway, oh, that's just terrible. Oh my god, oh, it's just disgusting. Spider-Man. Oh, check it out. It's Makarov. Oh, nice woods. And here's Japan's flag, here's America's flag, here's Finland, and here's Germany. Obviously, this is Israel because the Jew star. Maybe that's no. Never mind. Yeah, I'm right. Yeah, I didn't actually know about this. Save and exit. Now, if you go to my file share files with people, I recommend it highly. And community, I recommend going on here a lot because it's fantastic. You know, it's awesome. You know, but overall, here we go. Now hold on. These are contracts. Now hold on. I'm gonna show you how to go to find a match. Core, and honestly, I would suggest just playing Team Deathmatch. It's one of the best ones out of there. And then this. See this? Look, it loads it all by itself for you. And look, there's a countdown timer, so you know exactly when the game's gonna start. That is my review of Call of Duty Black Ops. Thank you for watching.